Every year, more than a million of people lose their life due to road accidents, and over a quarter of these are motorcyclists. One fine evening. Hey, wait a minute. Why? This is because you didn't wear the right attire for a motorcyclist. No helmet, short sleeve t-shirt, short pants, and also a slippers. So, let me teach you the right attire. First, you should wear a long pants. Good. Now we move on to your slippers. Instead of wearing slippers, you should be wearing a pair of shoes. Long pants check, shoes check. Oops, you're still wearing your t-shirt. You should be wearing a jacket for your safety. Good, jacket check, long pants check, shoes check. But one last thing, my friend, you still didn't wearing any helmet. This is the most important thing. With this, it can reduce any fatal injuries. Wow, you look nice, my friend. Nice. Have a safe journey, my friend, and ride safely till we meet again, my friend. Remember, you shouldn't be performing any acrobatic trick while you're riding, such as jumping, lifting the front wheel, or skirt. This could produce fatal accident or serious life-threatening injuries for nothing. Always be aware of your surroundings. Two-wheelers are a lot less visible than other vehicles, so it is important to make sure they can see you and you can see them. Your and the rear view can be very useful. If you can see someone's eyes in the rear view mirror, that means they can also see you. Very quick reactions are often required while driving. Always control your speed, observe the traffic and anticipate any change of speeds. Do not listen to music or make any phone call as it prevents from hearing sound around you. If you're riding with your friends, always ride one behind the other and stop if you want to have a conversation with them. Taking someone or something at the back of your bike can also be dangerous. There can be a distraction, make stopping even harder, and every movement slower. If you're taking someone with you, make sure they wear a helmet and be extremely careful. Your passenger won't always know how to behave, so take time to explain to them how to sit, where to put their hand and feet, and give signal to you to make you slow down. Aware of vehicle around you. Stay out of the blind spot. Avoid weaving between vehicle and a cross lane. Keep a safe distance from other vehicles. This gives you enough time to react to dangerous situations.